we'll guide you through how to use Trello for homeschooling. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Trello's website. You'll need to create an account if you don't have one yet, or you can log in if you already do. Once you're in, you'll be on the Trello dashboard. Click on the Create New Board button to get started. Name your board something like Homeschool Schedule so you know what it's for. Trello organizes tasks into lists and cards, so think of each list as a subject or a category, like math, science, or reading. Click Add a List and name it with one of your subjects. Once you've created your lists, you can start adding cards to each list. Each card represents a task or lesson plan. Click Add a card under each list to enter the details. You can include the lesson title, description, and due date. You can also attach files or links if you have resources or worksheets to go along with the task. Once your cards are set up, you can move them around by dragging and dropping them to reorder or adjust priorities. This is really handy for adapting to changes in your schedule. If you're homeschooling multiple children, consider using labels to color code the cards by child or grade level, helping you keep track of who needs to do what. You can also invite other users to collaborate on the board if you'd like to involve your kids or other family members in managing their schedules. To do this, click on Invite at the top of the board and enter their email addresses. Trello is great for visualizing your homeschool plan, and its flexibility allows you to adjust as needed. Don't forget to explore the Power-Ups section for additional tools like calendar integrations, which can be super helpful for keeping track of deadlines. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.